In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form that sends submissions directly into your board. To get started, open the board where you want all form submissions to appear. This is important because every response people send through the form will automatically be added here as a new item. Before you build the form itself, take a moment to think about what information you actually want to collect. Your board should be set up to match that information so everything stays organized and easy to review later. Next, add the columns you need for the details you want people to submit. For example, you might create columns for names, dates, status updates, descriptions, or any other fields that fit your workflow. The key idea is that the form pulls from the structure of your board, so the cleaner your setup is here, the easier your form will be for people to complete. If you want your incoming submissions to be consistent, this is a good stage to keep your column names clear and simple. Once your board is ready, click Add View. This is where you can create different ways to interact with the same board data. From the list of available view options, select Form. As soon as you do that, the platform will generate a form based on the columns you already created. This gives you a strong starting point without needing to build everything from scratch. After that, customize the form so it feels polished and easy to understand. Edit the form title so people immediately know what the form is for. Then review the questions that appear and adjust them as needed. You can rename fields, improve the wording, and make the form more user-friendly. Also, decide which fields should be required. Required fields are especially helpful when you need certain information every single time and want to avoid incomplete submissions. When the form looks the way you want, share the form link with the people who need access to it. This could be your team, clients, customers, or anyone else who should be able to submit information. Before sending it out widely, it's a smart idea to test the form yourself so you can confirm that everything is clear and that submissions land in the right place. Finally, review the responses as new board items. Each time someone fills out the form, their submission will appear directly on the board, making it easy to track, manage, and follow up. This is what makes the whole process so efficient. Instead of collecting information manually, everything flows straight into one organized workspace. And that's how you create a form that feeds submissions directly into your board.